Alright, this is my Airsoft handgun. Has a silencer, which really don't silence. It has a tactical flashlight. It has a red dot sight, which is dead because I had left it on. It has semi-auto and fully auto, and I will be shooting it on fully auto. Alright, clip. Clip is a rounded clip. I really don't like it because you have to load it one by one, but no. The problem I have had with this is whenever I put the clip in, a BB will jam. Alright, on the plastic ones, they will jam. So, yeah, let's go out here and shoot it. It has its own little safety. You have to hold this in and shoot. Right, so there we go. I have no target. It's just yeah. So that was my handgun, Airsoft handgun. Got it from Airsplat. I would suggest getting one if you're into airsoft. Pretty good gun. That's not even fully charged. So yeah, later.